3, 2, 1, start. 11 lakh teachers appointed till March 2015 under the Right to Education (RTE) Act will now get time till 2019 to acquire the prescribed minimum qualifications for firming up their appointments, as Parliament on Tuesday passed a bill in this regard. The right of children to free and compulsory education (Amendment) Bill 2017 was passed by the Rajya Sabha by voice vote. The Lok Sabha had passed it on July 22. According to the existing Act, which came into effect from 1 April 2010, these teachers were to acquire minimum qualifications within 5 years by 31 March 2015 para. According to the amendment bill, every teacher appointed or in position as on March 2015 is now required to acquire the minimum qualifications by 2019. The amendment will help teachers save their jobs. When the RTE Act was implemented in 2010, new schools were set up, but qualified teachers were not available, and unqualified teachers, including those with graduation degrees, were recruited. According to the government, Human Resource Development Minister Prakash Javadekar said when the government sought information regarding private schools, it was found that 7 lakh teachers lacked basic qualification. Then there are 1.5 lakh (teachers who have completed 1 year of training. Besides, there are around 2.5 lakh teachers still in government stream para. So there are around 11 lakh teachers in total who are without proper qualification, Javadekar said. The government has brought this bill in order to let these teachers complete Bachelor of Education (B.Ed) and other professional degrees, he added. The government would provide free education to these teachers beginning 2 October, Javadekar said, adding, registration of the teachers will take place from 15 August to 15 September. With everyone's support, we will train 11 lakh teachers within 2 years. A foolproof system been created to train teachers. We have taken support of all states, he said while replying to a debate on the bill. Under a scheme, Swayam Prabha, teachers will not only be trained offline but also online and even through direct to home into brackets DTH television channels, he said para. There will be a moderate registration fee and course material will also be given in hard copy as well as in CD, while 12 days face-to-face training in a year has also been planned, he said. That apart, Javadekar said that a 4-year integrated teachers training course is on the anvil, which will be launched soon. 22 members participated in the debate and supported para. This proves that education is not a political agenda, it is a national agenda, the minister observed. On members' concern about poor quality of teachers and government schools, he said the government has thought of 5 initiatives to address the problem. Firstly, the learning outcome for school children has been codified and defined, and an handbook been given to schools, and a poster will be put in schools by month end. Also, parents will be given the same so that they are aware and there is accountability on this aspect, he said, and urged members to visit schools in their constituencies and see if there was any change.